Oh, fuck. Holy fucking shit! Dude, I called that on camera.
Did you really?
Yeah.
I see.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
Is your kid all right?
Yeah, I don't know if the car came out of...
Listen, you should, listen, hey, get her out of the car. Those fumes aren't good for her. She'll be all right. She just shouldn't be breathing in that gas.
The kids out of the car. I called 911.
Good. Something's going on, man. Emergency. Some sort of domestic in the house. Time to call 999 because we heard violence, we heard things being smashed. But turn the engine off, man. Are you sure? Everything all right?
There's a crazy girl right here. Call the cops. We'll wait for them. So.
What number have you down, please?
No, it's just cut.
Have the police been called?
Yeah, we called the police.
Yes, please.
Connect the police, thank you.
Everything all right?
There's one girl who can hold it.
She has
Smashing everything.
Man, I thought, to be honest,
Yeah, we are fine.
man, I thought someone, they've been called, yeah?
Okay.
They've been called already?
I think...
I thought she was getting beaten, man.
No.
That's why I, that's,
Hold her.
alright.
hold her because she's breaking everything.
Yeah,
She's violent with us and
yeah.
because she has problems.
That's not good, man.
Oh, you're just passing.
No, we live behind.
Can I leave you at the queue?
Yeah, sure, that's fine.
Thank you.
We could hear she had one with a bottle of beer.
Oh,
Exceptional demand. All of our operators are currently dealing with other emergency calls. Please be ready to tell us the location and postcode of where you need.
This is the police. What's your emergency?
hi there. We need someone to road.
Road?
Yeah.
Whereabouts is that in London? What postcode?
Oh, let me get it, 2 secs.
Okay, do you know what's wrong with her, this woman?
I'm not sure. We're just, she's like smashing the place up.
Like, is she outside on the street or is she in
No,
her house?
she's smashing the inside of the house, but the doors are like wide open. We heard the commotion from like far away, so we just drove down to see what was going on.
Yeah, what house number is she?
To be honest, what house number do you know?
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Right. Is there anybody else with her or is she just by herself?
There's quite a few people. There's like 5 people here.
We are trying to hold her down.
Trying to control her, but
Okay, but nobody understands why she's doing this. Does anybody know her or is
Alright.
anybody a family member, friend?
you can talk to this guy. He knows more. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Omar, thank you so much. I've already asked police to attend there immediately, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You
Bye.
take care.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. I want to go, but they said I have to wait. So I just wait. No, no worries. I hope everything's...
Thank you so much for that.
No worries. I thought, to be honest, we were behind and we thought like a woman was getting beaten or something.
Yeah.
That's what it sounded like.
That's really good that
That's why we came, yeah.
people actually care.
Yeah, of course. Just to find out what was going on.
It would be easier if somebody was beating her.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. You alright, baby?
Sorry, baby.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want me to make you some coffee, baby?
Ooh, profits.
Yeah.
Can I have 2?
Well, I really want to. You haven't eaten. Can I make you 4?
3 is fine, baby.
Huh?
Wait, 2 seconds, baby. The police have just come. Can I call you back?
But you want 3, yeah?
Yeah. Have mercy.
Okay.
Have mercy. Alright, baby. The way they've driven up, as if they're about to jump out and stab something. Alright, bye. Sorry.
Is anyone out with her?
No.
No, just my fish.
Give us a couple of minutes. We're coming up to chat.
Told me to wait for no reason. Alright, guys, take it easy, man. See you later, man.
Thank you so much.
No worries. Good luck, yeah?
Go,
So we just had a big collision between 2 vehicles at Cherry and right by the 5th Third. So I'm trying to see, what's this intersection? Cherry and what? Huh? Oh, there's a cop right here. Never mind. There's a cop showing up. Just showed up. Do you need medical attention?
No, I'm fine.
She says she's okay. The other person seemed okay too. Yeah, it was just the. All right, thank you. Yes, there is. Officer 160 is here. All right, thank you. Bye bye. Just that vehicle over there. That's the one that hit this vehicle.
Okay. Are you okay? You in here by yourself? You need medical attention? Okay. And who was in that car?
An older gentleman in that car. He walked over. He seemed to be okay too. Oh, he's right here. Right here. This gentleman.
You in the white car? My camera is not on. I don't know if it was on. So just letting you.
Gotcha. Mine wasn't going.
I might have crossed the red light. I think so.
She was going this way. She ran the red light. This car was coming this way and T-boned her. Oh, so we just, I'm not sure if I was recording or not, but we just witnessed this. So we were at the intersection here coming this way. And as you can't see it, this truck here was coming through the intersection, and then this lady ran the red light and he hit her. Pretty crazy how that stuff happened.